Today we are going to discuss about open interest in financial market. So in financial market there are buyers and sellers, right? So how an open interest is created? When a buyer and seller creates a contract, then it becomes an open interest one. That means one contract is created. Then if the transaction is between buyer 1 and buyer 2, then if this contract is initially bought by B1 and later he sells it to B2, then still the open interest remains 1. Here B exited, B2, the buyer 2 came into the picture. Say suppose it was sold by S1, then still S1 is in the picture. So how open interest increases? Suppose another seller is coming, another buyer B3 or suppose B1 or even B2. So if this guy is creating another contract either to sell to him or sell to him or him, then again the open interest increases by 1. That means presently the open interest is 2. So now let's see how it get closes, like how the open interest get reduced. Suppose if the seller S1 buys back one contract from say B2 or anybody who is holding, initially S1 sold it to B1, the buyer 1, then right now he is buying it back from, initially he sold it to B1 by sell, then right now he is buying it back from B2 because B2 had bought the contract from B1, right? We explained it. So right now when the B2 sells back the contract to S1, then the open interest, like the contract gets closed because it becomes a cycle. S1 creates it, then there are buyers and they sell it back to S1. That means the contract gets closed. That means negative 1. That means we had an open interest of 2 and one contract is closed, that's negative 1. That means remaining open interest is 1, which is the contract S2 sold to any of them.